Okay, sister.
Oh, hi!
Taray. Yup.
Hey.
Content kita. Content to.
There's not much to talk about since... Ay,
Napag-usapan natin lahat
tawag
eh.
dito. Nor. Jan is back to study. Wala siyang gap,
Hindi ako
Gap
nakagap
sem.
sem. Literal. Sister, I'm pharma.
Everyone takes Anafis.
Okay. Ay, ano ito?
Yeah. Worksheets
That's what
siya.
human anatomy and physiology lab means. Human anaphy, physiology. Okay. Right? Content.
Yo, gap sem, room
Gap sem
here.
the fuck? Who is that? Nag-switch program lang ako.
I know, right? Did you take clip?
Oo. Pero baka
Ay, hindi
ma-blur yung... Actually, pwede naman. Hindi siya ma-blur.
I might try.
It's gonna go to my boobs. Say
Say
hi to my boobs. Yeah.
Oh, the cover's covering. No, the paper's covering you.
Kapin mo
Ay,
ako.
ba? Ayan.
Like that.
Okay, do you guys think we can be, do you think we can be like a duo like Slushy Noobs?
No.
What? Really?
Although, lagi siyang pinapanood, I don't think we can be as funny as them. They're like, may humor talaga sila na tina-target. Na parang,
like,
start broad chain.
very, talaga
Broad chain.
like, Western,
We're women, we can't be funny.
Oh, yeah, we can.
Start a broad chain in the comments.
Yeah, pero like, ang super tawag dito, ang pogi ni Martin.
Pogi naman. Nung, ang sobrang unsettling niya kapag nasa vacation siya. Pero pogi siya.
Ano nga sa atin?
He's so weird when he's on vacation. He's so creepy.
Yeah, pero
Naparad ba yung mga vacation vlogs niya?
Oo, like, ang pogi
Pogi niya.
Di pogi siya, ang pogi nung brother niya.
Oo.
Nakita
Little
mo?
Brat, mas maganda yung buhok.
And actually, mas talaga
Yeah.
first sight. Kasi yung visual ni Martin, siya, you have to focus on him to
Yeah.
actually, di ba? To
Para
get his
to
face.
get it. Although
Oo.
yung nung nag-shave nung nag-shave sila ng head, it wasn't hitting.
Oo. Si Hamza,
Si Hamza pogi siya, pero like si Martin, like,
ano
nakasalamin
tawag
siya.
Nung ano ba, nasa call kami ni Mahon noon one time, sa DC kami. Tapos, I think we talked about you liking Slushy Noobs. Tapos sabi ko, parang mas bet nga ata ni John si Martin eh. Tapos sabi ni Mahon,
I
pero
like
nagsasend siya
him.
na,
I like
parang
him.
akala ko mas Hamza yun. So you were
Akala
sending
nila hate ko hate ko yung Slushy Noobs.
Yeah, kasi like, why were you so weirded out sa videos yan ko?
Na-weird out ako sa ganun. Hindi ako na-weird out sa kay Hamza.
It was like, I was referencing to one video.
Yung nagawa ganun si Hamza. Pero no, it was you. It was just you.
Tapos, maganda yung jowa niya, no, Martin.
Si Mandy. Yeah.
Atake mo siya. Sino kanyang atake?
Wala akong boyfriend. You wouldn't know.
Okay, I think that ends our You always had to... Ganyan lagi si Jana. I don't know if it's the same for like her bed and friends. Kasi the shady and stuff. Na you guys are having a perfect
Basta
conversation.
tahimik.
Tapos, pag mention
There's layers to this.
there's layers.
There's layers to this.
Di ba you mentioned there's layers to this, so that one joke. Ayaw mo sabihin.
Ayun.
No.
Ayoko. Hindi.
Yeah, it's good to be a guest here sa, kasi me and Maha also talked about this. Pero I was going to Twitter at or si Maha, tapos sabi niya, may vlog to si, ako yun! May vlog to si Jana, gano'n. Tapos sabi ni Maha, may nanonood ba? Gano'n. Sabi ko, hindi, parang may gaya lang siya na, may gaya ka na YouTuber who just keeps on uploading vlogs,
Yeah.
kahit konting views.
Oh, like 50
Sabi ko yun,
views,
parang,
50 views.
Yun yung atake ni Jan. Sabi niya,
They're from Canada, I think. Ewan ko,
Really?
nag-snow eh.
Of Wakefield representation. Tapos yun, sabi niya, ay,
Asian.
may manonood yan, maganda yan eh. I keep on saying stuff from I'm sorry. But it's all in good light.
Hindi na ako nag-join sa Discord.
Ayun nga. Tell them why. Kasi di ko din alam.
Oh, check my letterbox.
I keep on watching movies, ganun. Hindi ko connect.
Hindi, pero seryoso.
Baka hindi ka pa na-OP. Hindi na ma-OP, diba? Ayun pa eh.
Kane likes me there. Sometimes.
Oo, like lagi. Wala naman we were talking about... Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's one thing, lagi na, never... Do you have anything to say about current stuff?
Makakat siya.
No, about current stuff.
No one's gonna watch this anyway. Papromote ko to, although. Papromote ko to. This content to eh,
Okay.
sister.
If you don't promote this or post this, I'm actually gonna be mad. Kami lang.
Ano lang to, siguro mga 20 minutes. 23 minutes, I feel. Or
This
like
is
15 minutes. Makakat pa siya eh.
What were you guys talking about sa nun? Si Vian pala ganun talaga yung gupit niya. Kalbo, atake.
Pero alam mo nung nagkita kami nung nasa recto, hindi ko naman napansin masyado yung gupit niya. Alam mo,
Gulo
never ko naaasar si Vion sa gupit niya kasi yun lang palagi yung itsura niya. Alam mo yun?
I mean, at this point, bagay na sa kanya.
Or hindi lang ako mapansin. Kasi si Lo, lagi niyang binibiro si Vion sa buhok niya. So, yun.
Na question na parang ayos gupit Arman
Oh, Miss Arman.
Arman ba? Ayos gupit. Say that one. That's like a load of this millennial. Di mo alam yun? Oh, sorry.
Arman
She's,
Solo?
She's pala, sorry, westernized.
Arman Solo?
Arman Salon.
Yo!
Cut that. Ano pa? What do you,
Kasi kanina natural lang, hindi tayo nag-content ng usap eh. It was all natural.
Don't you force it. Okay na to. It's a short, lang.
Short vlog.
Bye.
That's Paul.
Paul.
Big thief.
Ba't ba yun?
I'll be your bronchitis, but like a baby you did.
We're like, kasi lagi siya sa mga,
If you know what I mean. I like you soft cookie and your whiskey breath.
Hindi pa yung six. Lagi niya,
That was my favorite artist nung masaya pa ako. And it's still my favorite artist, so I don't give a fuck. Never
Si Paul?
changed. No, yung
Hail Mary.
si Adrian Lenker. I don't like this band, but like, I like Adrian Lenker.
Mag-isa sa kama, simula nung umuwi ka.
Okay?
Ay, ito?
Yeah. It's a vibe.
Ay, ito, I'll be your morning. Play mo.
Oh
my God, yes.
Say, baby, if you know what I mean.
Wow, 2016. Are you still alive? Like,
No, kasi horrible person niya sa yata.
sino dito?
I don't know.
Sino ko to? Oo, pero bakit? Bakit?
I think it's I don't know, I didn't research about it.
Oh, research is mo alam. I don't know about it. I just researched about it. Ano na, go?
Sabi ko, I don't know, I didn't research about it. Oh, dumb bitch. Okay, say bye.
I'll be